The English alphabet has 26 letters from A to Z. Each letter has a capital form and a small form. For example, AA, BB, CC. The letters are divided into two groups. Vowels, A, E, I, O, U, 5 letters. Consonants, the remaining 21 letters, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Vowels are sounds made with an open mouth, without blocking air. Consonants are made by blocking or restricting airflow using the lips, tongue, or teeth. Sometimes Y also acts like a vowel, for example in words like sky and gym. Each letter also has its own sound, usually taught with an example word. A, apple, B, ball, C, cat, D, dog, E, egg, F, fish, G, goat, H, hat, I, ink, J, jug, K, kite, L, lion, M, moon, N, nest, O, orange, P, pen, Q, queen, R, rat, S, sun, T, tree, U, umbrella, V, van, W, water, X, box, Y, yellow, Z, zebra. These 26 letters combine in different ways to form every word in the English language.